my 3 tips as an LCM piano teacher. Here's a fun fact. This piece is called Soldatenmarsch, not Soldier's Song. Imagine soldiers walking in perfect sync. Every beat should feel strong, steady and confident. Imagine a whole army marching together. Even try marching with your feet like a soldier. That's exactly how this piece should feel. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. The dotted rhythm gives this piece its military character. If you rush it, it stops sounding like a march. It shouldn't sound like ta ta ta. It should sound like ta ta ta. Here's a really useful tip for you. You should be able to tell how long to play each note just by looking at the score. Train yourself to read music this way. Let's see an example in the first bar. Here we have quaver note and we have the dotted quaver note. So we know this is longer than this one. And here we have semi-quaver notes. So this is the shortest one in this bar. Just look at this as an image and try to play what you see. Longest one, shortest one, and the quaver. In this piece, as you see, we have too much rests. The rests are where the soldiers take their next step. Use them to move, never rush them. It's easy if you count every rest. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. You should have an actual rest here and prepare your fingers for the next move. Look at the score. Schumann was very clear when he wanted staccato. If there are no staccato dots, don't add them yourself. Don't turn the quavers into staccato. You should play them short, not detached. Let's make you hear the difference. This was an actual staccato, but there is no dots, so just play it as a quaver. Now you know the difference. And the most important tip is